Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. Let's get into it. Now, this looks like a brand new machine, but it isn't. It's actually a used machine that just came in, but you can take a look at it and see it's just in pristine condition. There's not a chip anywhere on it. Sometimes we do get lucky and we find some great machines. That's what we're looking for. If you have something to buy, sell, or trade, let us know. We'd love to do that with you. This one's got a really cool little turn the switch on right there. We'll hit start. And you can see this is a 2-speed machine. Right now you have your blade speed readout right here. This machine can cut either metal or wood. Now if you want to change the speed, what you do right here is you would loosen this. It's going to move this pulley, allowing you to move the pulley to the second speed and get the second speed range. This is a single phase machine, great for a hobby shop, small maintenance shops. Let us know if this is the type of machine for you. If you have something to buy, sell, or trade, we'd love to work with you. You can see we get some really great clean machinery here. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.